7 keyboard shortcuts that will change how you use your PC. If you use a computer every day, these 7 keyboard shortcuts will save you hours of work. Most people only know copy and paste, but Windows has many more powerful shortcuts. In this video, I'll show you 7 keyboard shortcuts that can completely change how you work on your PC. They are simple, built into Windows, and you can start using them immediately. Shortcut number 1, Windows plus V. This opens your clipboard history. Instead of pasting only the last thing you copied, Windows remembers multiple items. Perfect if you copy text, links, or images all the time. Shortcut Alt plus Tab. This lets you instantly switch between open programs. If you work with multiple apps, this shortcut saves a lot of time. Shortcut Win plus Shift plus S. This opens the snipping tool. You can quickly take a screenshot of any part of your screen. Very useful for work, tutorials, or sharing information. Shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape. This opens the Task Manager instantly. Perfect if a program freezes and you need to close it quickly. Shortcut Win plus D. This instantly shows the desktop. Press it again to bring back all your open windows. Shortcut Win plus L. This locks your computer immediately. Very useful if you step away from your desk. Shortcut Win plus E. This opens File Explorer instantly. It's one of the fastest ways to access your files. Start using these shortcuts today, and you'll notice how much faster you work on your PC. If you want more PC tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel.